Hi there, I have received collection, a little collection. I'm going to open the box and let's see what we can find here. Oh. Take a loose. Right, in great shape. It's almost new. Let's see. Okay, perfect. The rules as well. Great. What else? What can I find here? Enough got off the core board. It means the box of enough got off. Okay, it's fine as well. Car expansion. Oh, beautiful. Let's see. Okay. Perfect. Now cut off. Or rules. Okay. This is great. The official reviews rules. Very good shape as well. What else? Not sure what edition is this version. This is different from other one that I have. The boards, character boards. Okay. So it's included in the core and Novgorod. More boards. Okay. Cards. So more cards. So it's include the expansion of cards. Oh, it's great, but pity is missing the original box. And a bit messy. See if it's more. Okay, no more. Well, it's interesting. I miss some things, but what is included is great. In my previous copies, I never had this. I'm not sure is this the. Let's see what version is this one. Fantasy Flaggers is the last second printing one, so I'm not sure. But well, this collection have costed 35 euros plus 5 euros of shipping costs. I think it's very good, a very good deal. So great indeed. Bye. Let's see the difference between these both editions of Tannhäuser. One of them is the revised printing, and the other one is one previous. Let's see. Well, the revised printing comes with a rule of play revised edition, so this is a very important point to try to get this one. This height for each of the faction, the board, which is the same in both cases, and the insert. The insert is different As far as I know, the first edition of toy taken you was the insert was completely white. This one has this artwork which make it very nice. Here you can see what is included: one full color rule book. The difference with this other, it comes with the old rule book, the board, a very nice insert, but not very practical. Most of the time you will have to avoid this insert to add the other expansion and so on. Here is missing a plastic transparent box, but the rest is the original. Let's see. This is the difference in the back. This one is a Spanish edition. Well, but the interesting thing is the back is different. Okay. I imagine this is previous to Fantasy Fly, because it's edge, but no Fantasy Fly. So the important thing, if you are looking the last one, is trying to see this symbol and revise printing.